Hi, everyone. This is Carter. I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with another uncut, unfiltered, off the cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. I'm not going to edit. We're going to talk about the truck, and we're going to talk about us for the next 4 or 5 minutes. Come along for the ride here. Oops, I need to turn my orientation here. Again, these aren't edited. These aren't filtered. This is just me talking to you like you were here. So this is a nice truck. It's one owner, clear Carfax. Carfax is 2 owners. It's just the dealer taking the title the second time. Again, clear Carfax. It's been inspected. It comes with the balance of factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. AutoramaAuto.com. We got financing for all. If you got good credit, great credit, or bad credit, we have options. We have banks that work with everybody. If you got no credit or bad credit, you're going to need some money down. That's just the way it works. But if you got great credit, little to nothing down, great interest rates, and when you're pre-approved, you're not going to be in the office all day. The one thing people hate is being in the finance office. We call it the box in the business. Because it's annoying and it takes forever and there's a lot of waiting. When you're pre-approved, we'll tell you the rates, we'll tell you the payments before you're even here. If a dealer won't do that, they're hiding stuff on you. Don't fall for it. We'll tell you everything before you get here once you're pre-approved. And then you come in, you like it, you like us, you want to leave with it, 15, 20 minutes, you're down the road. You don't have to be at the dealership all day. Another reason why you're at the dealership all day is those places are paying their salespeople on profits. I pay my people commissions, so do they, but I don't pay my people based on what you pay for the vehicle. If I wouldn't make money, if I lose money, it doesn't make a difference in my salespeople's paycheck. So because of that, they don't sit there and try to get every penny out of you. They're there to help you buy a vehicle. They're here to help you get it done quickly. You can literally drive from Bismarck, North Dakota, 100 miles away, buy a vehicle from you when you're pre-approved, test drive it, take as much time as you like, be back in Bismarck faster than you can buy at a lot of the big box stores in Bismarck, Fargo, Billings, Rapid. Seriously, we have people here from test drive to leaving when they're pre-approved, 20 minutes. I'm not kidding. Back to the truck. Tires are good. Again, it is the 1500 crew cab, 5.7 foot bed, Hemi 4x4 V8. It's got nice interior. It's the Bighorn, so it's got the Bighorn stuff. It's got the big screen, power seat, heated cloth seats, heated steering wheel. That's nice. Remote starter. Yeah, all the good stuff. Doesn't have any signs of having a box or a camper in it or anything like that. Has the factory tow package. Now let's talk about price. I know there's dealers advertising trucks like this for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 less. How do I know this? Because I have honest pricing. This car business is super competitive. The lowest priced one goes to the top of the list when you're shopping online. Dealers know this. So what are they doing? They're hiding fees. They will advertise this truck $3, $4, $5,000 less than I'm asking. And then when you get there, surprise, hidden fees. How to tell if a dealer has hidden fees? Call them up. Tell them you don't have a trade. Tell them you're bringing a check. Tell them you want an out-the-door price because you want to come buy the vehicle. If they won't do that, if they won't give you an out-the-door price, if you don't have a trade, you're bringing a check, they're hiding fees. Plain and simple. They want to get you there. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't give our best price until you're here in person. I'm sorry, we don't give it out the door until you're here in person. They're hiding fees. Don't do it. It's a scam. It should be illegal. I'll never do it to my customers. I'll quit this business before I hide fees. So let's recap. 2022 Ram 1500 Hemi Bighorn 4x4 crew cab 5.7 5.7 foot bed. 53,000 miles, 1 owner, clear Carfax, inspected, factory warranty. That's how you buy a used truck, folks. It's $25,000 less than a new one, and you have all, and it's got all the pedigree. My salespeople are not paid on commission. We do not have hidden fees. We have fast financing. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. I call this the Auto Ram advantage. Come and join us, folks.